Well, when you're out camping in your RV, it is always nice to have a quick and easy recipe that you can throw together at the last minute or even make ahead and freeze. And today I am going to show you easy RV cooking with my one pot chili. And if you are looking for more quick and easy recipes, especially ones that you can cook in your RV, then go ahead and subscribe and make sure to hit that notification bell because that way you will be notified when I come out with a new video every week. Welcome to the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. My name is Heather, and I am here to show you the easiest ways to get the best results in your kitchen. And yes, that includes your RV kitchen or your kitchen if you're making it ahead to take RV camping. And by the way, this isn't just for camping. You can make this quick and easy one pot chili for a regular weeknight meal. So I am in my regular kitchen and I am making this ahead and I will freeze it, but I have made this in my RV several times. It is great because it uses few ingredients and it's still loaded with flavor. So I have a hot pan and I'm just gonna drizzle some oil in it and then I'm gonna throw in one onion. Now, the full recipe link is below. Just go ahead and click that link and you will go right to the recipe. Now, you want to saute the onion for about 4 or 5 minutes until it just gets soft. I love to make this recipe when we are out for spring camping, which is right around the corner, although I am well aware everybody is getting dumped on with snow right now. But I promise it's right around the corner, spring camping, and it's also wonderful for fall camping. Now, as soon as your onions start to turn soft, I add 1 pound of lean ground beef. And the reason that I use lean ground beef is because I don't even want to have to bother draining the fat from the ground beef when I'm out at a campsite. You know how it is. You know, you really have to watch your waste when you are out camping. So I prefer to use lean ground beef and I don't have to drain it that way. Now you just saute that until the beef is cooked and crumbly. And how many of you would love to make this in a Dutch oven? You can totally make it in a Dutch oven over the campfire with really hot coals. It would be fabulous. I live in Arizona and we do a lot of camping up in the Rocky Mountains. And unfortunately, over the past several years, there is almost always a fire ban. So we cannot do it that way, which is why I do it in this kind of a pan, but absolutely this would be wonderful in a Dutch oven. Now, while this is browning, I do want to invite you to check out my Patreon page. I will put a link to that below. And it's for those of you that want to have a little bit more personal relationship with me, and also those of you who would like to help support what I'm doing here. And that way I can focus more on bringing you guys great recipes rather than chasing the Google algorithm. And if you're a food blogger, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, now that the beef is cooked, I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients. And guys, it really is so simple. First, a diced jalapeno that has been seeded. Now, those of you who follow me know I like things a little bit on the spicy side. Absolutely, you don't have to put that in if you don't like any spice, but really, it's chili, okay? A little spice is good. So 1 jalapeno, stir that in, and then the seasonings, again, the full recipe link is below, but it's just some chili powder and a little bit of cumin and some salt and some garlic powder. And once the spices are in, give it a quick stir. Boy, I'll tell you, those spices really make it smell like chili. You know what's coming. Okay, and then we're down to 2 more ingredients. This is 2 cans of diced tomatoes with the juices, and I have 2 cans of beans. Now, these are canned beans, but those of you who watch me know I love, love, love my Instant Pot beans. I'll put a link to that recipe up there. I think that's actually my #1 recipe now, Instant Pot beans. So you can make them from dried, or you can buy canned. I will say they are better in the Instant Pot, but again, I'm here to show you the quick and easy way to do it in your RV. Although I do use my Instant Pot in my RV. And then you just give it a big stir. I am going to knock this bottle over. I'm certain of it, so I'm moving it. All you do is give it a quick stir. Make sure everything is mixed up well. Cover it and let it simmer for 15 minutes. All right, and that is all there is to it. It's been simmering 15 minutes. It smells fabulous. Sorry about the noise. So let's give it a taste. And again, this is something you could easily make ahead or make while you are on the road. Look at that, it's just full of ground beef and beans. By the way, are you guys more of chili with beans or without? Put a comment below. I actually really like the beans, but a lot of people are like, no way, it's gotta have just beef. So what is your opinion? And of course, now we have to have some toppings. We've got some cheese and a little sour cream. Well, look at that. And I forgot my spoon. Yeah, I'm not gonna use the sour cream spoon. Let me get a spoon. Would you just look at that? It's just loaded with flavor and stuff, and it's so easy, you guys. This is just definitely a go-to when you are out camping. Now, let me take a bite. You know what would be great in this? A little diced jalapeno on top. I can't believe I don't have any left. Anyway, thank you for watching the Spicy Apron cooking show. Happy cooking, happy eating, and most importantly, happy camping. You know what this recipe actually tastes like? A really good homemade version of Wendy's chili. And who doesn't like Wendy's chili?